Guys, welcome back to our next vlog. Yo, I feel like really fresh, really relaxed. Like I'm here watching Cartoon Network. For some reason TV is a little bit fuzzy, I don't know why. But I'm watching Cartoon Network now. It's like, I don't even have a watch beside me. But it's like maybe like 7:20 or something like that. The live concert starts at 8. To be quite honest, I don't want to go. But I'm gonna go because we pay for everything, so I haven't redeemed my ticket as yet, so I think Matty them stuck in traffic. Where I'm at right now, it's like maybe 2 minutes drive, like on the stretch. I like where I'm at. It's kind of a little bit away from the events, but it's still pretty close. But I think I'm gonna jump in my car real quick, head to the Redemption Center. I think I showed you in the vlog where there's a lot of people like standing there. I hope it's not bad. I'm gonna go there right now and see if I can get something to eat at the same time, and hopefully much of them reach that time because I can probably save a space in the line. So yo, I love my room, like big man thing. The room is just, it's well lit, it's just comfortable, it's just worth it, man. And the bed is comfortable too, like you'll feel the bed. I'll tell you guys I feel the bed and you can't feel the bed, but whatever. Oh man, guys, I'm back in the apartment. Like, I'm gonna try some of this food and like tell you what the experience is like, cause like I could not show you the experience at all. Like, yo, I'm soon fall back. Where are my manners? I had to like show you guys like the food. It's like some form of like a stew pork, or she said she roasted over fire first or something, whatever. Some pasta right there. And then of course, some rice and peas, good old rice and peas right there. You can always get roadside food, and this was like $600 for this, Of course, some soda. Should I be drinking some water still? But yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna eat this and let you guys know what my thing is, as I said before. Alright guys, so I'm back as I said. And I have to get this out of the way real quick. That was probably the most stressful thing I've ever had to do for a party, for such an expensive event. Like, because this event, I mean, it takes up a lot out of you. Many persons want to go, but it's expensive. I mean, even if you buy the early bird tickets, it's 25,000. Plus, you have to get room, you have to have transportation, you have to have food, and the biggest thing, you have to have clothes. It was so stressful. So what happened was, I got there in the line. I had my camera and everything, and I was like, yo, forgive my stuffiness, I'm having the sinuses, it's horrible. But anyway, like I got there in the line, and because as a matter of fact, I live closer to the Redemption Center. That's the center where you get your ticket and stuff. And I got there in the line, and I think I thought Matty would have let me know that them soon reach. But anyway, I got there, Matty was already like, Matty them already got the tickets and whatever. So I was in the line, and I was like, okay, whatever, I'm doing it myself. And I was in the line just waiting. And then my team came out. And they were like, you know, with their cups and stuff, they're dreaming in cups, sipping and whatever. And they're like, oh, yo, don't stay in the line, whatever. Go up to the front. So I was like, okay. I went up to the front, pretty much cut through everybody else because, yo, you have to do that shit. Cut through everybody else. And then I pretty much got in. But then when you get in, it's like another line. And I was like, wow, another line. Anyway, went up to the line, stood there for a while. Then you have to be like pushing pretty much for the whole entire time. It's pushing. Like in entirety, in that secondary line, I was in there for maybe a half an hour, man. It was horrible. It was at the point like I felt my hand like in between this girl's butt crack, and like she didn't even flinch or nothing. Like I felt girls like on my freaking dick, like legitimately just there, and like they're just like, whatever, man, this line is just like, do what you gotta do, buddy. That's what it was like. And I was like, yo, Jano. Anyway, it was there for a while, you know, pushing through. Finally got to the end. Yo, bro, this sinus is really freaking annoying, but whatever. Like, finally get through, then you go into like this kind of slightly AC'd area. Another freaking line, another one. And I was like, yo, Jano. But for the most time, I was just calm. I was like, yo, it is what it is. When I looked over to the VIP section, there was like no one like going in there. And I was like, yo, Jano, like I really wish that I had bought a VIP ticket. That's what I wish. In my head, I was like, yo, I want to show these people, I want to show you guys like what it's like inside here. But this was my hand. My hand was like just like this. I was like, yo, I can't move my head. Just being pushed through for like the entire freaking time. And then the most I did was put my hands back to my butt, because that's where my wallet was. And I was like, yo, I don't want nobody to take my wallet or nothing, because like I was like vulnerable in that line. Anyway, get to the next line. It's like an S line in there and shit. People are like in there like freaking hooligans, man. Like people jumping over the freaking railing thing, trying to link up with them friends and stuff, are just pushing through. This guy's behind me, he's like, yo, don't make your boy, push up. And I'm not talking like he was like in the line and just like whatever. He wanted to push all the way through to get to the front. I was like, yo, Jano, that I don't mean to be like classes or anything, but like I really wish I paid for a VIP ticket, because like in the line there were so many freaking people acting all butu. In Jamaica, when you say butu, it means like ghetto. You get me? Like in my head I was like, yo, Jano, I thought there would be, because quite frankly, like the entire setup of the thing could have been better in terms of how to manipulate the people getting in. But they've been doing their shit for a while, and I guess they know what they're doing. I don't know, but it was horrible, the management of that line. Because I guess there's ways to get around it, which probably I would do next year if I wanted to buy a non-VIP ticket, because yesterday they had the redemption center opened. So I'm guessing maybe you could beat a few people who were coming in on the flight today if you had gone yesterday, because the redemption center is open from like 6 p.m. until 2 a.m. in the morning, right? So I guess it's my bad to go on the night of the live concert, but I don't know. But anyway, I think it could be managed better. Anyway, but there's some guys trying to help out, trying to manage a line, whatever. Bullshit. But anyway, so I'm in that S line going around. It was, you know, kind of moving smooth and shit. And then like people kept on pushing back, and they're like, yo, stop pushing, whatever. I'm like, yo, dude, like if somebody's pushing from all the way to the back, it's gonna transcend all the way to the front. So like you're telling the person right behind you to stop pushing. Like, dude, it's like a freaking train. And like I got really pissed off at one point, because as I said, I was like really quiet for the entire time. I was just like, it's whatever, you know what I'm saying? Until I was like, doop, boop, boop. Like, yo, let me start getting dark. You get me? I got like really freaking upset, because I'm like, yo, what the hell? I'm tired of this shit. But anyway, of course I got through, finally got through and stuff, got my stupid band and whatever, and you know, I was like, yo, Jano. Then I came outside. You guys saw when I was videoing, you know, I tried to show you like a part of the crowd, because like that's not even the half of it. This was like after a whole freaking hour and a half, you get me? I say, and this redemption center opened from like 6 o'clock, so like it was crazy and stuff. And then, you know, the best part when I you know, I got the package thing, I got the whole cup crap or whatever, and I got some a matter of fact, I was so happy to get out there. I was supposed to get like some drink ticket thing for your first drink. I don't know what the hell it was. And she was like, did you get your ticket? I'm like, dude, I got this. Like, why do I need a ticket? Whatever. She was like, okay, whatever. And she took the cup and she gave me, I told her I wanted ting and whites. And she's like, whites? I'm like, white rum. Dude, you see me? So I got my ting and my white rum. And from I put the first sip to my head, I was lit. Like in my head, like everything was good. You know what I'm saying? Everything felt good at that point. I was like, okay, I'm a little bit calm and stuff. Stupid TV, it just goes out and comes back in. I don't know what's up with digital or flow, whatever it is. But anyway, and you know, I got my whatever in whites. I showed you the video of me leaving the place. Yo, dude, the exit is the same freaking part where people enter, like, bro. Makes no sense, but whatever. And I got this stupid bag. So when I got the bag, I didn't even look in it. I mean, I did look just now to see, you know, there's something in there for y'all, but when I got the bag, I was like, screw this, I got my stuff, whatever, I'm about to leave. I remember Matty said like something like you get condoms and shit. That's what's in this stupid bag. So this is what's in the bag, pretty much. 2 Dream Weekend lighters. Pretty dope promotions and stuff. Looks neat. Unfortunately, I don't smoke, so these don't make no sense to me because I don't smoke. But I'll keep those as a memento anyway, because you know they're cool. This thing, they're already promoting themselves for next year. So you get like a discount thingy or whatever the case is. They got that. I don't know what the hell this is, like some conditioner thing. Well, whatever. And Mardi Gras beads, I guess. I mean, I guess the more people you have sex with in the whole weekend, then whoever has the most Mardi Gras beads is like the cake of the dream weekend. I don't know. And then this might be the most important thing here for me would be like the map, which shows like, I hope it shows like the locations of stuff, but it shows like the parties and stuff, which you could find this on Instagram anyway, so I don't see what the big deal is. I thought it was a map, but nope, it's not a map, nigga. So, oh, actually I'm lying, it is a map. Okay. So to give you an idea, this is a redemption center which I went to today, UDC football field. And my hotel is after here. So if the map was supposed to continue, my hotel was somewhere here, which is not so far away. So that means if I gotta, Wet n Wild is close, so I don't have to worry about Wet n Wild. If I need to get here, I'd have to park somewhere off here, I don't know. Or get to Redemption Center, park somewhere here, then take a bike taxi. Tonight's Dream Live concert is Cayenne Beach. So this is Cayenne Beach. Okay, bam. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 venues really. Okay, cool. Yeah, but anyway, it might seem as if I was ranting or whatever, but I wasn't. Like, I'm a little bit disappointed in terms of like how the initial part went out and whatever, but overall it's an experience, you know, it's an entire experience. But I'm just saying this stuff to you guys so that you guys kind of know what to expect whenever you guys decide to come here. If you've never done a dream weekend like myself, you know, be damn prepared to be pushed around if you get like the general band or whatever. I mean, I think the difference is like with a VIP you get food and of course VIP access, and it's like double the price. Is it worth it? I don't know, because if you're a male and you decide to like, you know, carry a girl, you gotta buy 2 VIPs and that's a lot of money. So it all depends on whatever. But I think if you went like the first day, like yesterday, to redeem your ticket, maybe that would have worked out a little bit for you, but like I really don't know. But that's what you gotta look out and experience really and truly. But yeah, I'm gonna decide if I'm gonna go to that Dream Life thing tonight. I'm really and truly not sure, but that's the experience so far. I'm sure when it comes onto the event, it's gonna be packed, but it's not gonna be, I hope it's not gonna be like this where the whole congestion, because of course it's lines, people hate lines, and the party's gonna be a little bit different. So I'll be able to get you guys as much coverage as I can of the whole experience. You've seen a little bit so far, you've seen being out on the road trying to get whatever, getting food. You saw the people coming in, whatever. So I got so much we can show you this whole dream weekend thing and kick it off right, isn't it? Anyway guys, catch you later.